If you want hair, come to the British Hair Clinic. Simple as that, really.
I was going to go abroad and decided not to.
Hair clinic, mate. It's just down the road from me.
Brentwood, in Shenfield. Shout out, well done, done a good job. And done Conor Ben's beard as well.
All you lot are going to be jealous wishing you had a beard like mine.
As I am here at the British Hair Clinic.
Yeah, it's a beautiful clinic.
British Hair Clinic.
The British Hair Clinic.
The British Hair Clinic.
Yeah, British Hair Clinic.
Hair Clinic.
British Hair Clinic.
I was a bit like, oh, I'm not sure about a hair transplant.
No, if I can get my hair back with all these amazing treatments.
You don't have to shave your hair off.
Came in, I spoke to them. They were absolutely lovely. Honestly, the best, some of the best people I've ever met, to be honest.
Human eggs getting hair again.
Can't feel anything. It's quite relaxing, to be fair.
I've had no pain, so I've been sitting here watching the Goonies. In fact, I've been asleep, I've been snoring.
I've not felt a thing.
Walk in the park.
And it was painless, you literally couldn't feel anything.
Just the work from start to finish is just incredible. Like some of the stuff I was just like, how is that even possible? Yeah, so I was like, I want a piece of that.
All of this is new hair. It's the best thing I've ever done.
As you can see, the results, I'm absolutely over the moon.
You lot are the best in the business. From like maybe a 7 out of 10 to 8 out of 10, 9 out of 10. And I just feel great.
If you're receding and want a full head of hair, come and get your barnet done.
It's amazing what they can do though.
I don't know if they can do anything about grey, I don't know.